Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c colon, then hit enter. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Type in bootrec space /fixmdr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Now type attrib space c colon -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type ren space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.